I'm at Dollar Tree right now. There's a BirdIn store. It's over there. The bird's over there, bro. The bird's over there, bro. Oh my god. We gotta go, bro. Oh yeah, guys, let's go. Oh my god. Okay, bro, we gotta. Oh my god, bro. Here, bro.
Where'd it go?
Bro, there's the bird, bro. There's a freaking. Alright, yeah, bro, I'm gonna get some stuff, and yeah, see you guys there. Turtle. I'm gonna do a review when I get back home, so yeah. Update, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll probably make slime or something, and yeah. Okay. Bye. See you guys there. Okay, guys.
Check out, okay, guys.
I'm gonna go check out. Yeah, bro. So yeah, I got. Okay, listen. Where are they? It's taking off.
What the heck? Oh, it's back. It's over there. I'm gonna touch it.
No, bro, don't. Okay. All right. Hope this is entertaining for you guys. Us. Dollar Tree has a bird in it. And this.
Don't kill me.
Get up. Okay. Alright guys, see you at home. So Turtle, I don't know where he is. Now that we have the things that we need from Dollar Tree, well, yeah, okay. We are now gonna make the slime. First, we're gonna add the glue. Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry, guys. First, we're gonna add the glue. Yep. Okay, now we're gonna add what hardens the slime. I add laundry detergent, but you guys can add like borax and water. You guys do whatever you want, cause. All right, now I'm gonna pour. Right, we added it. We added the laundry detergent. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. You guys may think it's weird I am doing it like this, but yeah, I mean, I'm mixing it like with my hands right now, and it's pretty weird how I do it, but it's okay. We all do what we want to do, and yeah. Alright, I'll tell you when this slime is done and when it's all like the normal slime, not like this. Okay guys, see you there. Bye for a second in the bathroom. And yeah, I'm gonna put lotion because it literally does not look good. Like you see, it doesn't stretch or anything, it just goes right through. Okay, let's add the lotion. Okay, hopefully this will fix it. Oh yeah, did not. Alright guys, the slime is not well. So yeah, maybe I'll do a part 2, but like, yeah, just maybe. The slime's not well. And yeah, see you guys. Bye.